Hi, I'm Paula Bohland. Welcome to the channel. This is a YouTube podcast channel, and it's all about building a real estate empire. I'm Paula Bohland, and I have been in real estate for more than 30 years while I did other things and other occupations and other joys. And I am now focusing my attention on teaching you how to come into real estate and build an absolute empire.
Paula B Real Estate Group is in Dallas, Texas. We have a presence here right now. We are working with 5 homes, going to look at 2 more today. My idea about this is that we help build communities. And so we want to go in and get existing houses that have maybe kind of like lost their shine, and then help remodel them, help build them up, and put people in there that'll have a nice house, a nice place to live, and do more than one in one community so that it helps everybody with the spirit of community and building and those kind of things. So that's why we're here. We're not a kind of company that comes in one and done and runs out. We're here with investment, with kind of a long-term vision, and I'm inviting you, if you're in the Texas area, I'd love to connect with you, especially if you've thought like, oh, I'd really like to do real estate investing. I mean, the honest truth of this is I have people that I help coach. I take them one-on-one through the flipping process. Everybody in my world makes at least $50,000 profit per house, or we don't even take it. And I help you make sure that that's going in the right way. So it's not like a bunch of classes that you're just trying to figure it out. I'm there with you to answer your questions. But here's my point. I have people that do this from all over, literally the world, investing with a group of us in certain neighborhoods, helping to build neighborhoods up, helping to provide housing, nice housing for folks, not just the new build stuff that's down the street, but something interesting, restoring our communities. If you've had interest, and most people I know do, say they've always wanted to get into real estate investing, you're in that 6-figure job, you're starting to pay a lot of taxes, you can use real estate as a tax shelter, and I can teach you how to do that. So you're not just making money, you can still keep your profits, have a great life, and not pay as much taxes. It's kind of a win-win, but that's why we're here, is to help everybody who's involved in winning. And my point is that you can do this anywhere, but if you're in Texas, I'd love to connect with you. I'd love to be talking about what your vision is for your community and help you get invested too into flipping homes and bringing up communities. She's got, you see the realtors here, she's fully, yeah, so we put our shoes on, bug spray, yep, yeah, all the things. So we are walking in. This is a house that we're looking at possibly to buy that would be a flip house. So attractive. I know you're glad to see this. Okay, so this house has been on the market not very long at all, like 3-4 days.
No, it's a little bit longer. It's a little longer than the market. I think it was on the contract, but it's back up. Yeah, it came back to the market.
It came back, okay, because we saw it the other day. It was just a few days.
Yes.
Okay, so one of the things that we're doing when we walk into, or before we walk into these houses, is we look at the entire neighborhood. And we look at what's happening in the neighborhood, how, you know, are the houses kept in general, are the houses being renovated, if there's new builds in the neighborhood, what's going on. This looks like a pretty good place, pretty good neighborhood so far. You can tell the house needs a little bit of love. So, are you okay if we walk in, Elizabeth? Yeah.
Yep. Hey, how you doing?
Okay, so this is a house we'd look at to buy. This is not one of ours yet. Oops.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Comes with pictures now.
Got your own pictures?
Waiting pictures, is it?
That's unfortunate. Well, you can
No,
see.
they're probably divorced.
Yeah.
Because you don't leave wedding pictures.
Yeah. So we're going to take a look around in here. We've got hardwood floors, but Not sure if you'd be able to save them because
Pretty
stains.
One thing I'm learning though is that the architecture is way different in Texas than North Carolina. It's a little bit more just country, I guess you could say. Like even the ridges around the screen door. It just kind of gives you like a western feel.
Yeah, we got new windows. Gonna have to come in here for sure. Got a living room here. Got a lot of demo.
Yeah. Would you open this up?
You probably could open this up. Yeah. Yeah,
it looks like a episode of Stranger Things, like one of those houses from Stranger Things.
I don't know how you'd. This is clearly got built onto the house.
Yeah.
And it's got a little stage here. We'd have to figure out what we do if we leave it. That's kind of cool though, that little.
So, in my mind, you know what I thought?
What'd you thought?
Bat cave.
Bat cave! Just close it off.
I would close this off. Nobody would even know it'd be bookshelves right here. You would never know.
That's a darling idea for this area, because then you're not worrying about what do you do with this step down, and you just take care of it. And this is a fireplace, living room area. Bat cave. Yeah, I know. I can't figure out what fireplacey, but it also looks like a pizza oven.
Okay, so I know I said yesterday.
It's what?
The movie, the house looked like a scary movie. I feel like it's multiple places to do fires here.
Yeah.
That kind of seems like a scary movie.
I wonder if this was outside, all of this, and that fireplace was added in, and that was like a brick oven kind of thing with this, it was outside and then they added this on. You just always wonder.
Yeah. This was the dog area? Yeah. Yeah.
It's a weird kitchen.
It's definitely a weird kitchen. So what would be the dining room?
Dining room, but could you just open this all up and make this a big kitchen eating area?
I would.
There's your washer and dryer over here. The laundry room's on the other side.
I would actually open this.
Of course, tear this out. It's too small to cook in. Bring it on out here. And maybe put the stove in an island.
This is your laundry room.
Yeah, definitely takes some space from them. The laundry room is huge.
It is good.
The laundry room's bigger than the kitchen.
Yes.
Just about.
It's about the same. It's about the same.
So we flip them.
Yeah, but it's really good size.
Wow, that's amazing. Look, it's about the same.
What's that behind you? What's this?
Right here is the garage. Also has a lot of potential because it's a 2-car garage.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would almost just take this and make this, like break all this down, make this a kitchen, and do a laundry room garage right on the side.
Yep.
Like I do a laundry, like my laundry will be right here, and take all of this, make it a kitchen, eating area. Mm-hmm. Block this off. You don't know what it is. It's the secret entry.
Bookshelves open.
Bookshelves. Or even if it ain't bookshelves, it could be like a same type of panel and just a push door. A push door that you don't even know is right there. Yeah.
You got carpet glued to the hardwoods in here, so not sure if you can save them. Oh, do we have a heating and air unit? Do we? We got all these window units. I'm not sure if we have air conditioning.
Oh wow,
Turn right here.
It's a vent right here.
This is a tiny little bathroom.
Yeah, so this.
I guess it's a half bath. It had a toilet and a sink.
So there's no bathroom for the whole entire house?
Yeah, right this way.
Oh. Yeah, I would like right here, Paula.
Floors.
Right here, I would probably knock this out
Take it out.
and make it a full
Just make it
bathroom.
into a bath.
Yeah, make it a full bath.
They got a closet over here.
Yeah, you got a closet, but it's a pretty small closet. You
That's
probably-
true. I wonder if it can open up into,
Yeah, open it up a little bit.
maybe not.
What is this?
It looks like the floor
What is this?
it can be safe in the bedrooms, huh?
Well, they've got the carpet glued to it
another full
here,
bath
the
right
backing glued to the floor, so I don't know if that one can be saved.
But this one too.
Yeah, you might be able to save a couple of them, but then when you redo a house and you have some of the old floors and some of the new, it kind of looks weird, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate because I love these floors. Yeah, these bathrooms. This one's not awful for a main for kids if you have a little family in here.
I kind of agree with this.
What?
This right here. I have no idea what's going on.
This one will need to be converted into full bathroom. It's half
Over
a
there?
bath. I'm sorry. Half a bath.
Yeah, we were talking about taking this out and just making this all for a master.
So hold on, what is this?
Do you know if does it have an HVAC system?
Yes,
It-
but it's so bad. It needs to be.
So it needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
So we've got windows here, major systems, we've got an HVA, let me talk. We've got windows here. This is like big stuff to consider right from when you start to think about, is this gonna work? We gotta look at the comps. Comps are selling about, what, $100,000 more than this house is listed right now. That doesn't mean we don't, can't have some play in offering, but the realtor tells us that the house was on the market and then was taken off and then has been put back on. We thought it was just newly on. And when you have a house that's newly on the market, a lot of times it's kind of hard to negotiate because people are waiting to see what happens. But if it's been on the market for a while and it's not moving along, sometimes people are a little bit more negotiable. But you want to look at major systems first. I haven't looked at the roof. Did you look at the roof?
Yeah, it looks messy.
Okay. So now we have a roof, we have heating and air conditioning that we need to deal with, and we have windows. Those are, in terms of your budget for a reno, and in the last little while, we have also big kitchen remodel. Windows have just gone crazy in pricing in the last year here. And heating and air we can kind of work with, but a kitchen, the cabinets and all of that has gone crazy too. Somebody told me the other day, a contractor told me that I was saying, what is going on with these cabinets? It's double.
Yes.
And he said, you know what it's like right now is the prefab ones are almost equal to buy as custom.
That's custom.
As the same cost. And it used to be about a quarter.
It used to be a big deal.
Yeah. And so if you're gonna do it, and you know, what are you gonna do? Leave the kitchen like that? No way. So you just need to be able to factor that in. And this is really important when you're looking to flip a house, that you look at these systems. We also need to go look around and see about the foundation of this house, because those are things, before you even start making things pretty, that can take up a lot of budget. And it could easily skyrocket to you spending, you know, $50,000, $60,000 just on systems. And then what happens if you're not careful and you're just hoping it makes it, or hoping the prices go up, which is not a good thing to do. You don't make money on hope in this business. You'll probably end up spending a lot more on your reno, and that starts to eat into your profits. And what do I always say? Protect your profits first. Protect your profits first. So, you know, poor Elizabeth drove out here today and had our realtor had a little bit of car trouble and everything, but she'll keep on with us. She'll keep on. That's right. That's her job, right? Yeah. Okay, let me walk out here and see. I saw you walked outside. What are you seeing out there?
Hi, it is your favorite sponsor here, me, and I'm here to tell you about a great opportunity that you can get involved in. You're watching these videos, you're getting all kinds of content, you're getting excited about what your life could look like. This is life-changing, right? You have to agree with me, right? Being able to come in, do some flips in a short period of time and make tons of money is life-changing. If you want to go a little bit deeper, I'm here for you, and we have a special arrangement that you can get involved with me for 4 months right now. It's the 4-month VIP program. I work one-on-one with you all the way through 3 to 4 flips, get you going, get you knowing, get you able to do this process, and you can get in on this for a really good rate right now. Just go into the show notes, click on it, and just set an appointment to do a real estate consultation with me, and we'll chat about the 4-month VIP experience where I take you by the hand into 3 to 4 flips, which could mean a couple $100,000, which grows you to the next level of your business.
I bet that's gas through there. We could put a little fire pit in there.
There's a lot of load.
I would definitely gotta think about putting another bathroom on it.
Another what?
A bathroom on this side of the house.
You think?
Yeah.
Well, that would be a cost.
Got a big chunk of the concrete missing right there.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, it looks like somebody hit it with something. What? Cállate. Calm. Looks like I don't see. I see a little bit of stuff. Okay, we're gonna do evaluation. When we ran the comps on this house, and comps means comparables, that means stuff that's sold in the neighborhood, and we're looking not just to stuff that's not done, we're looking at the stuff of what it would be if we sold it and did it up, right? So the ARV. And when we look at
stop sign, turn left.
When we look at this, we have probably about $120,000 to play with. But in our world, like I said already, we always protect our profits, and we don't take any project if there's not at least $50,000 in profit to be made, because we know there's always more, right? So I don't think this is a good candidate, this house that we were in, because there's probably at least $100,000 worth of renovations in that house. So, and then if you're adding a bath to that back part, and you're, you know, all the things because of the fixing the roof and all of that, unless we were in a neighborhood that prices were rising up very quickly, and we were seeing that actively. But what the realtor just told me is that some are selling in no time at all if they're really done well, which is a usual case, and we do things really well, but others are sitting and sitting and sitting. And so for me, this is too much of a risk. It's too much of a risk. I don't know, anybody else have some thoughts?
I agree with you 1,000%. like it, unless you got somebody that's gonna come in there and do everything that you envision for $50,000, it makes absolutely no sense. And I don't see nowhere.
And that's not happening.
Yeah, that can happen.
Yeah, because you've got a heating and air unit. Now, we can buy the heating and air units and have someone install them and save a little bit of money. But a roof, all the things, and it's just too much. Yeah.
That kitchen demo and
yeah.
You're probably looking at $40,000 for that kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
To clean all that out. And
Clean it up, move the walls, move the plumbing.
Yeah.
So we keep looking. Thanks.